Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Techie Technions. In this video we are going to learn about description list. Make a new file, copy the previous code, change the title to description list, remove the body content. In description list we use two tags, DT tag and DD tag. DT tag is used for the term. Let's take it HTML, and the definition will be given by DD tag. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Similarly, we will take another term CSS, and the definition will be given by DD tag. It stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Click on Live Preview. See, HTML is the main term which is given by DT tag, and Hypertext Markup Language is the definition given by DD tag. Similarly, in the case of CSS and Cascading Style Sheets. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we are going to learn about tables.